Wait a minute, y'all. Comment, like, and share, and comment. Comment, like, and share, and comment. Your boy done switched up on you. Comment, like, and share, and comment. Comment, like, and share, and comment. Comment, like, and share, and comment. And I know you lying. Comment, like, and share, and comment. Wait a minute, y'all. You guys look, if this is your very first time to this channel, run on and subscribe for us. And after you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell beside the word subscribe so that you'll be notified each and every time that we upload a video. And then, welcome to this great family. Now that you're part of us, there's some things that we do. And we do them every day because they help us grow. Those things are comment, like, share, and go for the team. Comment, like, share, and go for the team. Comment, like, share, and don't forget to comment, like, and share. Comment, like, and share. Comment, like, and share. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Comment, like, and share. Comment, like, and share. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Okay, you gotta check this out. We're gonna go ahead and pray. We're gonna get into the goodness. Here we go. Amen. How y'all doing today? You guys, today we have us a chitterling mukbang. That's what we have. All we have is, this here is zucchini and squash mix, and we got us some chitterling. Guess what? Lil' Ben is in the building, y'all. There you go. Lil' Ben is in the building, y'all. There you go. Yes, he is. Over here to the side, I got my little hot sauce. And if you like your bottle of whip in the top of the description box in blue, hit that link, and right there you can get your LIPS hot sauce and merch. You can get them both right there. Now, y'all, let's get to eating. Ooh, I'm eating some of these squash and zucchini first. I cooked one of each. I thought it was going to be enough, but then when I got it cooked up, y'all, it wasn't a whole lot. There you go. Get you some of that. But it's good. It is definitely good. Let's get some of this hot sauce on these chitterlings. Let's get these chitlins. I told y'all for Thanksgiving that all them good dishes that you saw me eat for Thanksgiving, I told you they would come back. Did I not tell you? Oh, these chitlins, honey. These good chitlins. Let me get you some good hot sauce on here for your first bite. Some good hot sauce. There you go. Baby, get them chitlins. Get them chitlins. Y'all, these chitlins good. This chitlins good. I love chitlins. Really and truly, I push it and eat chitlins all the way up to maybe June. You know, because you're not supposed to eat chitlins in the summertime. Baby, they will sour on your stomach in the summertime. But I push it all the way up to like June. You know, and then I don't eat them, you know. Well, I will, but not really. You know, between June, like July, August, September, October, you can start back eating them pretty much in October, but if you don't wait that long, you might as well wait till Thanksgiving. You heard me. And then it's off to the races. Y'all, it's chilling time. You want a bite? I know you do. I know you saying, Lips, I ain't never tried chitlins. That's your fault. Hey, cause baby, they good. But if you've never cooked them, better yet, let me take that back. If you've never cleaned them, I cannot set you out there I'm no humbug. Consult somebody. So you know what you're supposed to eat and what you're not supposed to eat. You hear me? For real. Your food is a little hot. No, it ain't a little hot. It's hot. It's hot. Woo. Woo. It sure is. It's hot, honey. But it's so good. And it's like the chitlins just absorb all the daggum hot sauce, honey. And you just have to just keep reapplying. For real. You do. You just have to keep reapplying, honey. So if you eat chitlins, can you eat them without hot sauce? I can eat chitlins without hot sauce, but baby, they just taste so much better when you put hot sauce on them. Man. So how y'all doing today? How are you? I hope that you're doing well. We've gotten well into this December month, y'all. We've gotten well into it. And baby, y'all, I have been looking. Y'all, all of these big box stores, I call them, Walmarts, Targets, Best Buy, all these big box stores that I call. You know, Sam's Club, Costco. You know, all of these places, y'all, have got some really good sales and stuff on for the holidays. Y'all check that out. And you can get all this stuff delivered right to you. For real. I even look, even Amazon. It's got some cyber sales on as well. Y'all, I fried up a whole yellow squash and a whole zucchini. By the time I got through frying, it had wilted down, honey. I was like, dang. I should have had some more. Because I love squash and zucchini mix. I love it. But I love these chitlins. That for sure. I told y'all before, chitlins is such a delicatessen. It's such a delicacy. Regardless of what they are and where they come from. I just love them. I really do. I just love them, honey. Yes, indeed. I hope you cook these right here. And they are wonderful. They're good and tender, honey. Could have a little more red pepper, but they are hot though. They're just for my own sake, but they are delicious. They really are. They're delicious. Here, get you a little bite. Get you a little bite so you can tell them in the comments how you like them. Hey! Oh, y'all need chili good. No, these ain't the same chili that I had for Thanksgiving. They not. We ate all of them. But when I went and got chili for Thanksgiving, I bought up every one, with no lie. I bought every bag that they had in the store. I did. I don't know if it was 5, 6, 7, I forgot how many it was, but every bag they had, I bought. I sure did. I bought every one. Because chitlins is something that I do not like to run out of. I like to keep 10 to 20 pounds of chitlins and a ham like that you bake. I like to keep that in my freezer year round, all the time. All the time. Because at any time that I want to cook a big meal, a special meal, if I want chitlins or baked ham, I don't ever want to not have those. I like to have them on hand to eat all the time. For real. But here in Atlanta, chitlins is high. They high. Like, my favorite brand of chitlins is, I saw that. My favorite brand of chitlins is IBF. That's my favorite brand, IBF. That's my favorite brand. But then I like Uncle Lou's. Now don't get me wrong. If I had to cook them, I would cook Aunt Betsy's, I would. But baby, I don't like Aunt Betsy's. They too thick. They too hard to clean. They like to be tough trying to pull, off of what you don't need. I don't like Aunt Betsy's. I do not. I don't like them. But, however, I'd rather Aunt Betsy's than I have none. Hey, for real, I would. That's true. So, like I said, y'all, we are well into this month of December. And as y'all know, like I told you, y'all make sure your notification bells are on, as they say in California, on. Make sure they're on, because we're going to have something up on this channel every day. Every day. Whether it be a live or video. The entire month of December. And really depending on how y'all watch, if it works out well, and y'all follow the videos well, and we do good on the videos, we may keep it up, y'all. We may just go everyday video or something. Depending on how it goes in December, though, we may just keep this up and just do something on this channel every day. So I need you to comment, hey, comment, like, share, and go. What it take? Hold up just a minute. Comment, like, share, and go. What it take?
Come on in.
Comment, like, share, and go.
One more time.
Comment, like, share, and don't forget to comment, like, and share. Comment, like, and share. Comment, like, and share. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Comment, like, and share. Comment, like, and share. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Do that. Make sure that you comment, like, and sharing every day. That way, I know you want to see me every day. For real. Definitely the vent down. All y'all die hard. The Hubby fam. I had a surprise for you. Actually, I didn't know I was going to do that, but surprise. The bean is in the building, y'all. There you go. The bean is in the building, y'all. There you go. Little Lips is over there looking at us like we crazy. On Roblox. Well, either way. Sure they look like we crazy. You know how you're cheering. After so long, you get embarrassing to them. Because like when she was a baby, I told y'all before, this was snake chicken. Chitlins was snake chicken, ham was red chicken. What else was it? Anyway, to make a long story short, she would eat anything that we call chicken. It didn't matter. And she ate it too.
Fish is white chicken.
But baby, since she got older, everything is disgusting. Honey, please. Honey, please. I told her before, honey, you eating chitlins, pig feet, all that kind of stuff before you ever tasted McDonald's or Burger King or anything. I cannot let you, But at the same time though, she'll still eat these, but pig feet, oh baby. She said pig feet, the most disgusting thing on earth, honey. And I don't know why, because she ate them from the time like she could chew on something. She did. For real. Oh. Y'all, we back here, this thing here up. We have. I've already said this video, he ain't gonna be long, honey. Because I ate up all the chitlins. I got people over there. I might eat them too, huh? Hey. They just so good. I don't see why people would give them a try and try to eat some chitlin thing. Especially they cook right. And you got the right hot sauce to go with them joints. Ah! Little plug right there. And you got the right hot sauce to eat with some chitlins. Baby, I grew up eating this hot sauce called B.U.L.L. Red Bull. I think it's, yeah, Red Bull on my chitlins as I was growing up. But it really don't matter to me. I want my own hot sauce, trust me. I do. But as long as I got me some hot sauce, honey, for my chitlins. Baby, you put that LIPS hot sauce on them chitlins. And you like chitlins, baby. Yeah, it's good. That's just like, you know, we just did the Impossible Nachos with my mukbang bulls. Big Mac, you love Shani, I'm Lip, and Sam's World. And I had never tried the Impossible Burger, or the Impossible Meat, or plant-based meat, whatever you want to say, because somebody got me in the comments and told me it's disrespectful to call Boca Impossible Meat or whatever. This, that, and the third. Well, I didn't know. I thought it was called. But anyway, I tried it. And y'all, it was definitely different. You know, because my taste buds are already seasoned another way. You know, when you eat certain things, your mouth gets set for them that way. Hold on, y'all. Let me get the rest of my chitlins. Hold on. I'll be right back. Oh, Lord.
There's the whole bag, baby.
Legion, I ate them all. I ain't got none but a few little screens left. There's a few little screens left, Legion. That's all we got, honey.
I don't know why you just dead in the pot.
No, either that I see what it is. Y'all ain't got nothing left. Here, I'll get you in one more bite. Let me get you one more bite because I'm about to eat them up. That'll be gone. Get you one more bite. But anyway, I tried it, and like I said, y'all, my mouth was seasoned. Is seasoned. You know how when you get ready to eat something, just say things like, you want spaghetti. You know, your mouth gets tuned up for the way that spaghetti tastes. And it was missing something, but I will say this. I would have never thought that eating vegan, vegetarian, whatever, however, that, you know, that it would be, at this point in my life, that it would be tasty. Now, when I was in college, I was semi-vegetarian one time before, while only I ate chicken and fish. I did. But after those years, I never, ever wanted to go back to those things. I didn't. But I may try it. We may do us a week or a week or two where we do a vegetarian diet. We definitely gonna do some more vegan stuff, that's for sure. We definitely are. You know, just because I have vegans on my show, I have vegetarians, so I'm gonna whip up some things here, things and stuff and everything. You know, for those ways of eating. Y'all ain't all them shows. Let's go now. So anyway, you guys tell me some things. Vegan, vegetarian, pescatarian, you know, some things that y'all would like to see me eat. And I'm gonna check into them so we can get. We also gonna branch out a little bit, y'all, and see if I can find some, you know, just different things. Honduran food. I seen there was a Honduran restaurant here, and stuff like that. We're gonna try some things. I've had African before, and but we'll try it again on the channel. Okay. Anyway, leave me some suggestions in the comments down below, and we're gonna get to trying some things, y'all. Okay. Because if y'all get to comment, like, and share in the right way, then we're gonna be doing this every day. Here we are, or something every day. From now on, I'd like that. Oh, I'd like to come and visit you in some kind of way every day. I really, really would. But anyway, y'all, I'm finna get up out of here. And I hope that you guys have enjoyed. I truly do. Hope that you have enjoyed. Because I had no idea, baby. I love me some chitlins. But anyway, to all my new legions, thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys mean so much to me and my family. Ain't that right, y'all? They both got their earpiece in. They both got their earpieces in. They ain't stuck me, honey. I cannot deal with them. Ain't that right, y'all?
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Y'all finna go. I love you guys so much. You guys mean so much to us. You guys really, really do. You mean so much to me and my family. You could have chosen to be anywhere else in the world, but you chose to be here with us. And I love you for it. Mwah. So I'm my existing legion. You know what's up. I love you guys so much. I'm going to see you guys next time, okay? Wait a minute, y'all. You guys look. Always remember that there's always more than one way home. All you have to do is get there. So get there, people. Get there. I love you all. And I'm going to see you guys next time. And if you're not going to watch me next time, you have lied to me. And I know you lied. Period. Bye-bye. Y'all know y'all ain't paying no attention to me, honey.
At least you know it.
What?
I heard you, but I didn't say anything.
You heard me, you didn't say nothing.
I just stared at you.
I know. Think about it. I was trying to tell the Legion that we really appreciate them, so you supposed to say something. My God.
I didn't say nothing either.
Well, I know it.
But you don't look at me.
Production is like nothing to you.
He ain't say nothing either.
I know it. But you could have been the leader and said something first. You could have said, "Shall do." Y'all, we finna go. We love you guys so much. Bye bye. Wow.